Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am, Pustak Pakhi with another exciting book review. And if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. Today, I am going to review George Bernard Shaw's Arms and the Man, a comedy that takes place during the 1885 Serbo-Bulgarian War. As we can find that the play is full of complications, and in between there is an accidental romance between a young Bulgarian girl, Raina, and a Swiss soldier, Captain Bluntschli. The main characters of this play are Captain Bluntschli, Raina Petkov, Sergei Sarnov, Major Petkov, Catherine Petkov, Luka, and Nicole. We can find 3 acts in this play. Now the first act starts very interestingly, describing an entire room and its each and every corner, like the counterpane and hangings of the bed, the window curtains, the little carpet, and all the ornamental textile fabrics in the room are oriental and gorgeous. Then we come to know through the discussion from Catherine Petkov with Raina that Bulgarians have a victory over Serbia in a cavalry charge led by Raina's fiancé Major Sergei Sarnov. Then suddenly comes Luka, their servant, with the news that Serbs are being chased by their soldiers, so it is important to close all the windows and lock up the house immediately. But Raina promised to do so later and Luka leaves. Then suddenly, while reading on her bed, Raina hears a shot and an enemy soldier comes in front of her holding a gun in his hand and threatening her not to make any sound, otherwise he will kill her. After that, they talks to each other and we see Luka speaks from outside the door that some soldiers come to check Raina's room because they investigate a report that a Serbian enemy is climbing her balcony. Raina decides to hide the soldier in her room. After that, we see they search the room but finds nothing. Then we get to know that the Serbian soldier had an unloaded gun and instead of carrying bullets, he carries chocolates in the warfield. Then he reveals that he is a Swiss and hired by Serbia. Then we find that Raina gives the soldier a chocolate cream and from here Shaw used the term chocolate cream soldier. After that we find the soldier is sleeping soundly. Then comes Act 2 of this play. 4 months later, we see Major Petkov, Sergei Sarnov, Raina's fiancé, returns home from war and they are discussing the famous topic that how a soldier escaped by climbing and hiding in a noble Bulgarian woman's bedroom. After that we find some discussion between Raina and Sergius about their relationship. After that, without the presence of Raina, Sergius and Luka had a long conversation where he gets to know about the soldier but didn't get to know his name. And in the middle of things, Luka comes and informs that an officer has come with a carpet bag and asked for the house lady and he addressed his name as Captain Bluntschli. Immediately Raina and her mother knows that he is the chocolate cream soldier and they immediately plan to send him away. But coincidentally, Major Petkov hails Bluntschli and welcomes him as the person who aided them in the final negotiation of the war, and also Major insists that Bluntschli will stay as their house guest until he has to return to Switzerland. Then comes the final act of the play, Act 3. Here we find that after solving a large amount of confusing paperwork with Major Petkov and Sergius, Bluntschli and Raina left alone. They exchanged some words and Raina told him that night when she gave him her father's coat, then she placed a photo of herself at the coat's pocket and an inscription, "To my chocolate cream soldier." Then we see that a telegram is brought to Bluntschli addressing the death of his father. Then we find that Louka confirms to Sergius that his rival is no other than Bluntschli. Sergius immediately calls for a duel with him. But at the end, we find that after much conversation between them, Sergius and Louka gets engaged. And Bluntschli proposed to marry Raina, and the permission was granted when he described all his possessions which he has. And Bluntschli says that he will return in 2 weeks to marry Raina and leave. And the play ends with the speech of Sergius saying, "What a man, what a man." So, if you like the story, please do subscribe to my channel and I will be back soon with new book reviews. Till then, stay with Pustak Pakhi.